Hi, I'm Stephanie Lichtenstein, President and Founder of Micromedia Marketing, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to Greg Hoffman of Greg Hoffman Consulting. During Affiliate Summit East, he actually gave me a flirty apron, and it's been a couple weeks, so I don't cook every day, but when I do, I make it a little special, so I'm going to make my boyfriend dinner, and I want to try out my flirty apron first. So I wanted to share it with all of you, and definitely say a big thank you to Greg and flirtyaprons.com. I've seen them around a lot. They get a lot of great press. And if I was ever going to wear an apron, it would definitely be a flirty, cute apron. So let's see what it looks like. And I think that after I put this on, I will be more prepared to cook something for my boyfriend. Let's check it out. It's cute. Hey, wait. I'm struggling a little bit. Here we go. There it is. Thank you. And cheers.